Have you ever wanted to order food right to your door from your lazy bed, but you thought, you know, it's too expensive? Well, I'm a competitor and I'm about to change that. I'm not DoorDash. I'm not Uber Eats. I'm Door Douchebag. Ooh, now you're probably thinking, how am I going to become the #1 global name in the food delivery industry? I have a 6-step plan that I'm going to be following to ensure that I am going to run a successful business and absolutely destroy you, Door Dingus. You're going to be finished. You're probably wondering why I'm trying to compete with Door Dingus. For the past 2 videos, I've tried to impress the Door Dingus corporate team to try and become a director of the company, and they haven't gotten back to me. So yes, I'm very salty. Now the first step is, of course, to come up with a name, and that was simple. Instead of Door Dingus, I came up with Door Douchebag because, you know, I'm a douchebag. I have to be honest, I have to be real with my business, and if you're not real with your business, people won't feel, you know, attached. You know, I'm a douchebag. I'm a fucking douchebag. It sounds quite catchy as well. I kind of like it. Obviously, the second thing we're gonna need is a logo, and that has to be something that's really eye-catching and makes you want to click it. As I was going through Photoshop, designing different things, I came up with putting my face on the logo, which kind of makes sense. You know, put Door Douchebag and add my face above with a red color overlay. People will think, oh, this guy looks super happy. I'm gonna order through here. I completely trust him. Now, the third step is to obviously create a website. I'm going all in for this. I gotta try and actually execute at least 1 order. So we created a website, and no joke, that took me 11 hours to create because I was trying to think so hard on how I was gonna do this. And of course, I had to pay for a domain, which they always have to charge. I thought that was free, but you know, we did doordouchebag.com. At least people can actually take us serious instead of like wix.douchebag.com. Like, who's gonna try and buy from that? Step number 4 is to create a Facebook page very similar to the website we just created. We also created an advertisement video to make our business seem more appealing. You don't want to pick Door Dingus. You don't want to pick Uber Pete's. You want to come to Door Douchebag. You won't regret it. Step number 5 is for us to list our business on Facebook Marketplace. And step number 6 is for us to pay for ads. I'm gonna spend all my money, virtually all my money that's in my bank account, on these ads. I just want to see if you can actually take down Door Dingus. And yes, that cost a lot of money. So it's been 1 day since we've released our first Facebook ad, and I'm convinced Door Dingus is actually stalking me. I actually was scrolling through Facebook and came across an ad coming from Door Dingus, and I was like, do you know what they said? It was $0 delivery fee for their first order. How the hell would that come up on my page? They have to be stalking me. They really don't want me to overtake them. Not that that's gonna happen anyway. So I'm actually about to check the ad campaign for the first time. Oh my gosh. People reached 236. Link clicks 4. 1 page like. Yo, I'll take 1 page like. Let's have a look who the liker was. Pat Meyer. I really don't know if these accounts are actually real or if it's just like a botted system. You know, with these Facebook ads, I am not expecting much, and I know that it ain't gonna work. Day 2 of us wasting our money on Facebook ads. Let's check the analytics. So far, we've had 362 people reach, 7 post engagements, 7 link clicks. And currently, we have a world record of 2 new likes on our Door Douchebag page. I'm super happy about that. Oh my goodness. I don't see how we're gonna actually get an order out of this. I agree with Past Pete. I don't think that's gonna happen. Especially looking at the analytics for the next 2 days, it was pretty much the same old story. Facebook ads doesn't deliver what they promise and pretty much put me in a bad spot. Like, it got really bad. The reason I have those tissues there is, you know, I had to ease the stress that I've been going through the past few days. And yeah, I've just been very sad. Oh my gosh. So we spent $20 on this one ad for 4 days, and did we really get anything out of this? Not really. But I think I have a good idea. And no, that's not about the tissues. I think I actually have a good idea for once. Oh man, I just can't believe that I've resulted in having to steal Door Dingus's customers. Now you're thinking, how am I gonna do this? It's actually quite simple. I'm gonna go online and order 20 business cards that say Door Douchebag to promote my own website and brand. And then when I get orders through Door Dingus, I go to the customer's door and try and convince them to switch over to Door Douchebag. I'm starting a business called Door Douchebag.
Okay,
So basically, I want to try and take the customers from DoorDash because they're trying to charge so much. So I'm trying to like create a new thing and try and give people, just give people a good discount on like the, you know, the shipping and stuff like that. Yes, I really just said shipping, acting like I'm Amazon or something like that. It's a freaking food delivery business, not a shipping industry. If you ever need anything, you call that number and that's what it is. And I can pick it up or whatever. And it's whatever price you want it to be. And that's it. Thank you. What a disaster that was. What a bad sales pitch. What was that? I had no idea what I was saying. And then we had to do 19 more terrible sales pitches, which took us 4 days to complete, and time will tell whether this method will actually work or not. Okay, so we've made absolutely no progress whatsoever in the last 2 days. No one has messaged us. No one has tried to order through us. There's 3 guarantees in life: taxes, death, and paying for shitty Facebook ads without getting any benefits from it. What else can I say, really? Like, fuck you, Facebook. Seriously. Anyway, I've been brainstorming and I think I've come up with a good idea. And by that, I mean we're gonna have to start begging people to order through us. You guys have seen across the last few days, we've received 6 new likes on our Facebook page. And pretty much I'm gonna go into every single one of those person's Facebook profile and forcefully message them to actually order through us. Hey, Jason. Thank you so much for your like on my new business model. I really wanted to message you and ask that you order through me the next time you want to order food. I will deliver straight to your door. That sounds like a decent message. I'm thinking we're gonna send it right to Jason Lyons, and then now we're just gonna do it for the rest of the 6 people. To also increase our chances and become illegal, we went on the Door Dingus Facebook page, went into the likes section, and virtually messaged every single person there this exact copy and pasted message. Yeah, that's just pretty much my game plan. I don't really have another game plan. That's it. Time will tell, I guess. Let's just see what happens. Yo, you won't believe what just happened. I just came out of the shower, I looked at my phone, and I just received a submission order for Door Douchebag. Let's go! But while I was celebrating like an absolute gorilla, I wasn't believing it, so I still had to check if it was real or not. Woo! Okay, so if this is actually real, I'm gonna flip my nuts. I'm gonna flip my balls. I'm gonna flip my nipples like this. I'm gonna flip my nipples. It's one step closer to overtaking Door Dingus. James Moretti. That is such like a cliche name. I feel like I could have just made that up in random generator. I ain't trusting this until we can click into it and see what happens. Woo! Okay, this kind of looks real. Name, James Moretti. Email, blocked out. What you ordered, large double cheeseburger meal, Fanta for the drink, do no pickles, no mustard, and no ketchup. Obviously, I blocked out those, the address and the number, just in case. But I'm actually gonna go to the car, give him a call, and see if he's gonna send me over the order number for the McDonald's order. Hi, James. Would I be able to give you a call about the order? We waited several minutes, and eventually we got him to respond. Oh my... This is what his response was. Any chance you're able to FaceTime me, as I would feel more comfortable about it. And so that's exactly what we did. Hello?
Hello?
Is this James?
Yes, it is.
Hey, this is Door Douchebag.
How you going, man?
Yeah, I know you're probably thinking, what in the hell is this? This is unprofessional. You were thinking the website's a scam. Just no, it's not a scam.
How can I know I can trust this? It seems, like you said, it's a bit weird.
I'm a very strange man. I understand that that's very strange. I spent the next 30 minutes trying to convince him that I wasn't a scam, and he still wasn't buying it.
So you just need cash. You don't need my credit card, like nothing like that.
I know it seems like a complete scam, but this is not a scam. I'm going to send you my driver's license.
Yeah, alright. I'll do it. Easy.
Now that was a success, and we sent over our driver's license to him as we promised, and now it's time to make the delivery a reality. We have received the order number from the dude, so I'm actually very surprised. At least we didn't drive somewhere and nothing happened. So it's saying the place is only 1.2 kilometers away, which is a 5-minute drive. That's actually not too bad, and I hope this goes smoothly.
How can I get for you?
I have a My Macca's pickup for JY37.
Yeah, that's all good to drive through.
Okay, thank you. So we waited through the drive-thru, picked up our food, and let's just say I was super happy about it. Contain excitement. Don't scream yet. Just don't get into an accident right now. Let's freaking go, baby! I then had to drive 5 minutes to James's house, and finally, I got to meet him. James, what's happening? This is like, I didn't know your house was up there. I thought it was this one over here. Hell yeah, that's all. So what did you think? Yeah, it is real. Basically, I'm starting like the business and all that sort of stuff. Oh, sorry about the shop. No, I'm starting the business because obviously, like I was doing DoorDash and they were like, they charge too much for like food delivery and stuff.
Expensive now.
Yeah.
That's good. I'll tell my friends.
Nah, are you gonna order again or do you
If you
think?
keep the prices.
Nah, I will. $5 every time. If you want to order anytime, just text and I'll come or whatever. So, yeah. All right. Laters, man. Okay, he took that way too seriously because the next 3 days he ordered the exact same meal and wanted it delivered straight to his house. I'm not complaining because at least we're getting loyal customers. Until he said this.
Why'd you call
Thanks,
it
man.
door douche?
Just because I'm a douchebag, that's why I called it that, so.
Oh, I thought you did like cleaning too and stuff.
Wait. Just before you go, please just listen to me. I've been editing and making this video for the last 5 weeks, and I just wanted to tell you guys how much I appreciate you being patient with me because for real, these videos take ages. A lot of planning goes behind it, and it's all by myself. I don't work with anyone. I completely edit my own videos. I have about 5 cameras that I use while I'm making the videos as well, so there's so much footage to go through. I want you guys to comment down below Door Dingus if you made it to the end of this video, and make sure you subscribe, and let's see if we can get to 2,000 subscribers by next week. Yeah, it's a massive task, but we can do it. Anyway, roll the outro.